Hello guys, in this video we are going to be drawing an involute of a square. We have been given a question to draw the involute of a square of side 25mm and also draw a tangent and normal at any point on the involute. So we are going to draw our straight line first, which is going to be like this. So from our straight line we are actually drawing a square, and a square, the four sides are equal. They gave us 25mm as our length of the side, so I'll label here as point A and this place as point B. So to draw my square, I'll pick my set square that's at angle 90 degree. I'll draw a straight line up and I'll draw another straight line up. The four sides of a square are equal, so these other parts also will be 25mm. So I'll draw this like this. So in order to draw my involute, an involute is a curve that goes round square. It is equal to the perimeter of the square. That is, the unwinding of the curve is equal to 25mm, 25mm, 25mm. That's the 100mm of the square. So let's get started. In order to draw this, we are going to project this side first downwards like this. Then I project this place like this also towards the side. Then I project this other side, this point, let's label here point C and point D. I project point C upward. Then I've projected point B already. So we are going to be picking from point A 25mm first, that is the length of point AB. We are going to pick 25mm, or we can just pick our compass and measure the length of point AB. From length of point AB, we'll draw our curve like this. This is our first involute, like this, put here as P1. So from point D to P1, we are going to draw a curve also. We are going to draw a curve that is going to be reaching this place like this. So this place is going to be P2. Then from point C to point P2, I'm also going to be drawing another curve like this. So this place is going to be P3. So from point B to P3, from point B to P3, I'll draw our last curve. So this place is going to be our point P4. Also given a question to draw the tangent and the normal from any point on the involute. So we are going to be picking this particular point here. Depending on the point you are given, we are going to draw a straight line from point B to that point, from point B. So this is going to be our normal. So now with angle 90 degree, that is, this one is going to be perpendicular, we are going to draw our straight line like this. So this is going to be our tangent to the involute. By the time you calculate this point, it's ought to give you 90 degree. If you found value in this video, please do well to like, subscribe and turn on the notification button to be the first to get any more of our educational videos, and also share with your friends so they can learn from it. Thanks for watching. Peace.